In this step, we're going to review the script that we've created to make sure it's going to meet our needs. First, let's take a look at the trigger. Every day at 6 a.m. This is what we want. And then the actions that we'll take every day at 6 a.m. are going to be to remove all of the lists from the aggregate board, then create a new set of lists. And once those new set of lists are created, we'll then move all of the relevant cards to those lists on the aggregate board. So let's take a look at the actions to see if that's what we're doing. So we're going to archive the board name list, which is Finish Movie Review, on Board Overview. So that looks correct. That'll archive the boards. Then we'll create a new board, or create a new list rather, name board name, which is in this case the substitution would provide Finish Movie Review here. So we would create a new list named Finish Movie Review in the top position on Board Overview. So again, we're just recreating a list on the aggregate board with the name of the project board, so we can then move that project board's cards into that list. Following that, we would then copy all of the cards in the in progress list on the Finish Movie Review board and put those in a list named Finish Movie Review on the aggregate board. This looks complete. So in the next step, we will take a look at how to associate this with the other boards. So let's go ahead and click Save. And now we're at Scheduled Automations. And down here I see I have my new rule added. In the next step, we'll take a look, as we said, to associate this script with all the relevant boards.